Chief Minister Nongthummam Biren inaugurates and lays foundation stones of various projects worth around 196 crore rupees in Kaupum subdivision, None district. BJP MLA and former Manipur DGP LM Khaute claims rich people from valley lured hilly people to cultivate poppy plants. Some Kuki people cultivated poppy thinking these are beautiful flowers. Assam police arrest 4 Kuki miscreants from Churachandpur, including 2 women in possession of 40,000 Yaba tablets worth around 5 crore rupees. Displaced students unhappy over LMS Law College Imphal demanding full admission fee from them despite fee waiver for displaced students announced by government. JDU, Manipur and LJP Ram Vilas served legal notice to retired Major of Assam Rifles Amit Bansal and retired Major General Yash Moore for allegedly portraying Meitei people in negative light. An MPCC spokesperson N. Bhupendra assures Congress party will extend full cooperation to youth of Manipur in their effort to bring normalcy in Manipur. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English Bulletin. I'm JOYSHREE USHAM, bringing you the top stories and latest news at this hour. Chief Minister Nongthummam Biren today inaugurated and laid foundation stones of various projects worth around 196 crore rupees in Kaupum subdivision, None district. The projects for which foundation stones were laid today are construction of football stadium at Kaupum NEC under Yas, rehabilitation and strengthening of Bishnupur-Nungba Road, improvement of Kaupum subdivision headquarter Ring Road, improvement of intra-village roads of 7 colonies of Gaidimjang village under Kaupum subdivision headquarter under Sachi 2023-2024 and construction of type 3 and type 2 quarters in Kaupum police station under SACI 2023-24. Construction of water supply scheme at Kaupum subdivision headquarter, None district, Kongsang guest house near the Kongsang railway station. The Chief Minister also inaugurated an open gym at Thanagong village and transit quarter hostel at Khangsinlung Higher Secondary School, Kaupum, None district. Addressing a formal function at the Higher Secondary School, Gaidimjang village, the Chief Minister assured that a tourist circuit will come up soon at Kaupum. He highlighted the ongoing constructions of Ayush Hospital at Thangal village and a 50-bedded hospital at None, and also said that a trauma center and blood bank is already functioning at Nungba. Reassuring his commitment to make Tamenglong one of the most developed districts, the Chief Minister requested the people to make some compromise while seeking land compensation for developmental works like road construction. The Chief Minister assured to provide a fire service and additional ambulance at None soon. He also assured to construct an imam market at Kaupum. N. Biren lauded the people of both None and Tamenglong districts for preserving and protecting the forest cover, including the Kaupum area. Chief Minister N. Biren, accompanied by ministers and MLAs, took a chopper to Kaupum for the event. BJP MLA and former DGP of Manipur LM Khaute has claimed in an interview on YouTube that the rich people from the valley areas of the state invested huge amount of money and lured hilly people to cultivate poppy plants. He also maintained that some hill people, especially the Kuki people, planted poppies considering them as beautiful flowers. LM Khaute made the claims in an interview with one Major Muhammad Ali Shah, a former Indian Army officer who runs a YouTube channel. He maintained that during his tenure as DGP of Manipur Police along with Assam Rifles NAB cracked down on poppy plantation in all districts of the state. He further refuted to the attack given to Kuki Zo community as narco-terrorists while also claiming that Kuki militant groups under suspension of operation are against poppy plantation. In the interview, LM Kaute further said that 1,518 people were arrested in relation to drug cases in the past 5 years, and out of which 1,000 people are from the hills and the rest are from the valley. Therefore, Kuki Zo community alone cannot be blamed for the crime associated with drugs. He said poor people from the hills were lured by people from the valley to grow poppy in the state.
They were tempted by people, the organized group or the cartel, who mostly invest huge amount of money and capital centering around the valley area, and contacted people in the remote areas in various hill districts, convince them and trap them, and then induce them or lure them into cultivating poppy plants. Some of them even love to cultivate poppy because they were so ignorant. They thought that these are beautiful flowers, and without knowing the serious adverse implications legally and even medically, or even the adverse impact it has on the life of our community, people of our community.
Assam police has arrested 4 Kuki miscreants from Churachandpur district, including 2 women with 40,000 Yaba tablets worth around 5 crore rupees. The arrested persons are identified as Lungning Mang Haukip, age 32, and his 26-year-old wife, Chinebong Haukip, Lia Sanga Lungkim, age 27, Sophia Haitetim, age 32, and they are all from Churachandpur district. They were taking shelter at a hotel in Silchar, and a combined team of Assam police and CRPF personnel raided the hotel yesterday. The team seized Yaba tablets wrapped in plastic packets from their possession. The tablets were reportedly brought from Churachandpur via Mizoram to Kachar. JDU Manipur General Secretary Shanglakpam Prishojit and LJP Ramvilas National Secretary Shriman Wangkhairakpam served a legal notice against retired Major of the Assam Rifles Amit Bansal, a defense strategist, and retired Major General Yash More today for allegedly portraying Meitei people in negative light and distorting the history of Manipur. The legal notice was served through Manipur High Court Advocate Aribam Gautam. Briefing media at Sangai Pro today, JDU Manipur General Secretary Shanglakpam Prishojit said the 2 retired Major of the Assam Rifles distorted the history of Manipur and rebuked Maira Paibi women, state police, and the culture and tradition of the state on the 61st episode of More Talks channel aired on August 13. He said they served the legal notice after they failed to clarify on the matter. They demanded the 2 retired officers of the Assam Rifles to clarify within 15 days from today, else warned of further legal actions.
Akoina haribase tasinadadana laibana maram oraga akoi ngasi legal notice ama hariba miwe anisida koigi retired Major Amit Bansal amadi retired Major General Yash More. Amit Bansal haibsi retired Major oijaraga chu hauji koigi army gi defense strategist self style wina laiba aduma misak amani akoi mokoina hauji chu yamna Kuki jati gi yamna thawai yauna misang sangma manba adumbuki wahi wata sizinaba Sigi channel Kaktana Tanato channel my Kayam Su Lepalitana Wangang Ba TV interview Kayam Tuoga Hariba Amit Bansal Sina Yamna Mishang Mikainaiba Kogi Kuki Mishangi Rom the Nganga Maitegi history Amadi Maitegi Jati Singsi on a Tainam to Putona Bagi Honabagi Yam Kana Mahaki self interest vested interest labor man book Amayo Magi Wakalon Adum Putokodokini Yaning de Hydra Madugi Potu Shengdona by the Makta Amadi Manipur the labor is in Lauka Amarasu, Mahagna, Ngang, Tingnabirangani, Maduda, Koi react over Amadi, Tungi Horka the Wangangsina, Mohoina Ngangi Basi, Lali have a sick Kanghona by the Mukta Aquina, Yadi have a legal notice, Sama Quingasi, issue of Javani.
LMS Law College Imphal under Dhana Manjuri University Imphal reportedly demands full admission fee from violence-affected displaced students despite government's announcement to provide free education to displaced students. LMS Law College Students Union appeals to relevant authorities not to charge admission fee from these displaced students. The College Students Union and displaced students held a press briefing in the college campus today. Speaking to media, Students Union General Secretary Wangjam Samson said they will stop admission process in the college from today until the college authority decides to exempt admission fees from the displaced students.
मागी कैरियर की दमकता लाइक तमदब यादे हाइना खनलकांदा लाइक तमदा होना मतमदा हिंगना फावबा चाना फाव लैतदना लेबम चाबम फाव लैतदना सेटिंग हाइ फाव लैतदना वारबा कांसिदा एडमिशन की फी कराइदे लौगदगे हाइबा खनम मतमदा असुगी मतिक यामना अवाबो ओरे मरम असिना असिगी पालिबा लैंगाक अमदी कॉलेज असिगा मई लैनरिबा DMU अथॉरिटी अमदी कॉलेज की अथॉरिटी सिंगना असिगुमलबा डिस्प्लेस स्टूडेंट सिंग लिरिप कैंप लैबसिंग असिग मैरोय सिंग अवाब कैसु उबिदना मखोगी कॉलेज की फंड की दमकता मखोगी फंड की दमकता येंगाकांदा फी दम लौबम थोप लौगनी हाइबसे मसि लाइबक थिबनी मसि खोगी यूनियन असिना कंडेम तौई अदुगा मरम पीरकांदा कॉलेज की छात्र सिंग हाइरिबा डिस्प्लेस स्टूडेंट सिंग दगी फी लौनबा होनबिगनु मसि खक याबा ngमोय
DMU की मखादा लाइबा अथॉरिटी अमदी अखोय कॉलेज की अथॉरिटी दा आइना हाइनिंगिजे अखोय डिस्प्लेस ऑफ अखोय स्टूडेंट की खरा येंगागा एडमिशन जे यारगदी फुल एग्जाम तौबियोबा स्टूडेंट आर द फ्यूचर ऑफ नेशन हारगा तमी मोइना अदु की वैल्यू ngaktabida अखोय जे डिस्प्लेस ओइरबने हारगा अखोय महैरिजे लाइरिक तमगनु हाइब्राबा हुजिक पैसा लैते एडमिशन तौनिंगाय सेन लैते हारगा अखोय जिबु लाइरिक तमदबिदा लैयो हाइब्राबा हुजिक जिबु
Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee spokesperson and Bhupenda assures Congress Party will extend full cooperation to youth of Manipur in their effort to bring normalcy in the state. Briefing media at Congress Bhavan in Imphal today, Bhupenda urged Chief Minister N. Biren to get an appointment to meet with Prime Minister Narendra Modi, adding that 5 Congress MLAs are willing to visit New Delhi along with MLAs of the ruling party to meet with the Prime Minister. He recalled that both the Congress and the BJP MLAs had camped in the national capital to meet with the Prime Minister but failed to get an appointment.
महान लुसिंग बिरे हारगा अखोई दिल्ली दे चटसी प्राइम मिनिस्टर ने अपॉइंटमेंट पिराबा मतुंगदा अखोई कांग्रेस के एमएलए मंगासु चीफ मिनिस्टर गल्लोइनरगा चीफ मिनिस्टर ने लीड तौबिबुदरा अखोइसु यावरे हारगा लैबाक सिगिदे मखल्ले हारगा यूथ ऑफ मणिपुर दा कोऑपरेशन असी एक्सटेंड तौरे हारगा ngasi अखोई यामना थुना दिल्ली दे सनरुनुक्ता प्रधानमंत्री की अपॉइंटमेंट असे ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर ने लौबियु हाइना कांग्रेस की एमएलए मंगा अमसुंग मणिपुर प्रदेश कांग्रेस कमिटी की माइकैदी की थमजरी
Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee General Secretary Pangejam Sarachandra expressed concern over the prevailing situation in the state. Speaking to media at his Pangai residence today, P. Sarachandra said the state and centre have given the assurance that there will be no separate administration in Manipur, but the prevailing administration seems to be already separated. He pointed out that there is no imposition of curfew in vulnerable hilly areas, but curfew is being clamped in the valley areas of the state. Sarachandra also condemned that no action has been taken against those Kuki MLAs who are demanding a separate administration for violating the rules and regulations of Manipur Legislative Assembly.
Valley ki district singda irang lai haiduna curfew kaya thamme adubu irang lai riba singi district singda curfew impose tawbage khoi thuidongna tade singda criminal kaya na tawning bata tawba crime kaya sathrakpa matamda Manipur sarkar na amadi Manipur gi security singna thuidongna karigumba action amata lokhattabagi mami tai Kuki gi MLA mantri kharana assembly gi sana kanglon kaya thugarakpa matamda Manipur sarkar na adum tumina lai action amata lokhatpa ngamde Valley gi MLA minister even chief minister yauna Manipur gi irang leiriba Valley gi jaga sing amadi singi jaga singda chatuna praja sing karamna hingli relief camp da karmaina leiri karmaina irang tholopano haibana singbagi hakthengna na satana yengshin basu makhoi chatpa ngamde Manipur gi apunbagi shaktam kahelloi haidana hanjin phongdoglibasi aikhoidi yam chamamnaba Manipur si separate administration ji leiribra natraga leitribra haibase Manipur da leiriba praja khudi mak chamamnaba pui
National Vice President of NPP, Yumnam Joykumar, says NPP will take a concrete decision regarding whether the party will continue to give support to BJP-led government or not if the uncertain situation prevails in the state. The NPP leader maintained that the present crisis continued for far too long as government failed in its governance and state force could not do its duty well, leaving the responsibilities to common people. Speaking to media at NPP Manipur office in Naramthong today, Joykumar said the ongoing violent clash is about to complete 5 months, but the tension continued to rise and people are facing hardships. At the moment, there is no hope for BJP government bringing solution to the present crisis. Joykumar also maintained that a meeting was presided by National President of NPP Conrad Sangma in Shillong on September 21st, and it was decided that concrete action needs to be taken in relation to Manipur crisis. He said questions have been raised on whether NPP will continue supporting the BJP-led government in the state or not. He also said an executive meeting for NPP Manipur will be held soon in this regard.
Party ne feel to national president ki level de feel to Manipur ki enough is enough. It's high time central government as well as the state government takes the matter very seriously. Kari torga phagade khokade ai basiki se masi step lower darka hoye aduga party ko ba farm stand ma lorgani karai de thokibno state government sina leibasina handle tawai tab degi state police ta sinaga do public ta sinaru degi tholoiba phibam ni sikamai ta loisan gadi bhut loiba loisan ngam dabdo adu phibam lakani chi su khoi party we are very concerned chi khoi soina karmai to de kari to de ai se sigi state government natraga central government su khoi kanna suggest tabudana ta khoi fazana chi to view chi to de Manipur se yaro prajana pamdriba mieng seida NPP su BJP ga chapara bani BJP ni haina logip ta gadi khoi madudi to holloi khoi NPP we are different khoi ideology khoi belief aduga khoi stand or different masi matang da khoi chap chaba state ki executive khanaraga national executive khanaraga masi je khoi kana to se masi chap chaba khoi claim kani.
Speaking further, NPP National Vice President Yumnam Joykumar said that the NPP takes the present situation in Manipur with utmost seriousness. While questioning the role of the Peace Committee headed by Manipur Governor, Yumnam Joykumar stressed the need for both the communities to have common agreement. He said there are many questions regarding resettlement, rehabilitation and compensation of displaced people. Speaking about the inaction in hilly region, Joykumar said actions have been taken only in the valley while leaving the hilly region. He added that if the situation continues for far too long, issue of secession from India could arise with people losing faith in both the state and the central governments.
Say normalcy laka da say the no mayamama unaccounted on a lehodori. Gaman Tataba, Agansi Makuta no my paramina, Sabatako Walakani, Amato Walakani, Mother Lakadoshi Carino, Mitarana, Kunasaraga, no may at gunpoint, Pesakaiba, Amatoba, Mayamama Lakani, Chikamaitong Tingadori, Aina dispute among the Lema, Manipugi, Pibum, Karamam that my box Abiadaba, Adu, office from Bongam the Masisuka, Adu Film the Lavani. I give him the Bobo no my Paraga, Pesap. Demand to bulay. Ay yumna guard like besi over. Lago targeti. Kasuli tabi mung dedi kari thong gede gen. Si kamay to na koy mung control tong duri ke ba. Sigi may am si su kan bada kaoy. Normal si laganda. Hai ba normal may am si lehorga. Kano to mung am targeti. Kanamata amaga kita nung sinado is normal capture kotna. Matamamagi America gi wild west side do. Adu film der lag film lagani. Madu kanamata lain banate.
Kokomi Women Wing Coordinator Y. Lyric Lema says they condemn Chief Minister's announcement to return all arms within 15 days, citing that the war waged by the Kuki people in their aspiration to build a Kuki nation is still ongoing. Briefing media at Kokomi office at Lamphel this evening, Lyric said the Kuki people started the war and they should surrender first to resolve the ongoing conflict.
La loidringada nongmai lokake haibadi state government munna khandiyo maramdi Manipur gi maitai se tumna halaga noi government gi mantri mandon khada hingaurage haibra sa akhoi gi kokomi gi ima singi question ne aduna nongmai lokhapai aroi kanana khoi nga pi dori akhoi lokhat sugya yaroi aduga mara lairaba Manipur gi leimai da leiba isa singsu khun ngak pagi mamingda katukaran tawdana barja da wahanba barja waraba matamda khun ngak pagi mamingda sen thai thumkhai tawriba imai benchu waraba ngahatan gari selga lupayang khaidagi hena sing phangam madru phangdraba kangbuda thallaga paisa loba khun ngak pagi mamingda masisu khutak talepiyo.
Social scientist Dr. Dhanabir Laisham says a common political aspiration can be achieved only when all the communities in Manipur live together by helping each other through thick and thin and celebrating the culture and tradition of one another. He was speaking at the concluding ceremony of months-long tree plantation program organized by LSWC and prayer program to bring peace and normalcy in Manipur organized by All Manipur Ethnical Socio-Cultural Organization AMESCO today. Speaking at the event held at Lamdai Bung Lai Farm in Kakwa, Dr. Dhanabir Laisham stressed the need for all the communities to shun narrow-mindedness. He also appeals to Mairapaibi groups and CSOs and the public to take the ongoing crisis in a serious manner and not to make any compromise with regards to their respective roles. Speaking at the event, a woman belonging to Chote community said the ongoing violent clash has affected everyone. She maintained that the crisis broke out due to inefficiencies of the politicians. Body of a man was found in Sekmaijin Maning Laikai under Hyanglam police station in Kakching district early today. Morning walkers came across the body around 5 a.m. Hyanglam police station was informed immediately and a police team led by the station OC arrived at the spot for inspection. Later, forensic science team also arrived at the scene. Bruises were spotted on many parts of the body and there were gunshot wounds on his face and neck. Police took the body to Jennings morgue. Identity of the body is yet to be ascertained till the time of filing this report. Hyanglam police station has registered a case and started investigation. Meanwhile, Vice President of Sekmaijin Maning Lekai Mairapaibi Yumlemba Meena said Mairapaibi women were vigil in the area till 1 a.m. and they didn't hear any sounds of firing. She expressed suspicion that the body must have been dumped in the area. Meena condemned the incident and said disposing the body in the locality amid the prevailing unrest in the state sends out wrong message about the locality. A combined team of Special Operation Group Thaubal, 33 Assam Rifles, Thaubal and Yaripok Police recovered various weapons during a search operation today. According to police, the combined team led by Additional SP Operation and OC Commando Thaubal under the overall supervision of Thaubal SP acted on a reliable input and carried out search operation at Khoirom Laijing in Thaubal district from 4 a.m. till 6:30 a.m. and managed to recover 1 SLR along with 7 SLR magazines, 1 anti-riot gun and 136 HE hand grenade. The seized items have been handed over to Yaripok police station for necessary actions. People's Liberation Army PLA, an armed wing of proscribed Revolutionary People's Front, observed its 45th Raising Day. A press note from the outfit Deputy Secretary Publicity Robin Kuman says Raising Day was observed at PLA General Headquarters, Tactical Command, Strategic Command, 252 Mobile Battalion and other units, department stations as well as at its sites in Central Bureau, SR 1234, hoisting of the outfit's flag and paying tributes to its late cadres marked the observance. The party wishes love and harmony among people of Manipur on the occasion. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on the discussion meet on the changing trend of Natta Sankritan. Keep watching Impact News.
Patients with kidney, ureter, bladder and prostate-related problems may avail of free urology OPD consultation on 26 and 27 September 2023 from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. and 15% concession on relevant investigations and procedures. For appointment, please contact Caesar Hospitals.
Avail free ENT OPD consultation and free hearing checkup with 15% concession on investigations and procedures from 24 to 27 September 2023 between 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. For appointment, please contact Caesar Hospitals.
Avail free cardiology OPD consultation on 29 September 2023 from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. with free ECG, lipid profile and random blood sugar and 15% concession on investigation and 10% concession on procedures. For appointment, please contact Caesar Hospitals, Langpur.
Welcome back after the break. You're watching Primetime English Bulletin. Manipur Natta Sankirtan Apunba MNSA held a discussion meet on the changing facade of Manipur's Natta Sankirtan, which has been already listed in UNESCO's Intangible Cultural Heritage of Humanity today at JOYSHREE Govindaji Shanglen. Attendees also paid tributes to those who had lost their lives in the ongoing Manipur violence. Speaking on the occasion, MNSA President, renowned Natta Sankirtan teacher Lema Pokpam Lakhpati expressed concerns over the decline in following the rich culture and tradition left by the forefathers. While Manipur Natta Sankirtan Apunba Vice President N. Shamchan expressed dissatisfaction over the government's measures to resolve the prevailing crisis. Association Vice President K.H. Kirti appealed to stop modifying Natta Sankirtan.
Manipur India Prathibi Sing Shanti Pangna Point in Takpir Ojashi. But she Ojaja Tambiran Pose, Mapung Pana Koi Tigan Abaki. Oh, well, even Yam the Lugar Pony Tarata Tedu, issues in Shazing Imana Tawayauna. Sidawakan sang Honabirabadi, Mongol Oini.
Hariba, Santi, Pangdraba, Mayama Sigi, Lakidraba, Mayama Duki Damakta. I couldn't Santi Wina, Mogi Damakta, Wina Damakta, Moidi, Shorgima Pamtas, Yoginaba, Amasung, Quagi, Lehori by Quigisu, Quay Kaitanaba, Santi Gimaram, Pubiranaba, she Aina, Srigo Raragominda, and Nikisoronda, Aina, Hanna, Korum Jerry.
Displaced people of Iko, Sadu, Yangkuman, Dolaithabi and Leitanpokpi village in Imphal East district today gave an ultimatum to the center and central governments to make arrangements for their return by October 24th or else they warn of returning to their villages by themselves. Speaking to media at Pukhao Laifam Community Hall today, convener of Village Volunteer Service Kundrakpam Kendra, Nongthombam Bobby said villages from Iko, Sadu, Yengkuman, Dolaithabi and Leitanpokpi have been taking shelter in relief camps after their houses were torched down by Kuki people. He expressed disappointment that government has not made any arrangements to facilitate their return till date. Nongthombam Bobby also demanded the government to shift the central paramilitary forces deployed in areas within Kundrakpam constituency to places lying between Saikul and Iko to work as a fence from transgression by both Meitei and Kuki people. He also demanded the removal of bunkers which are constructed at Sanjenlog, Isingthenbi, Pukhao, Leitanpokpi, Nongshum, Chanung in Kundrakpam constituency.
Iko Saduyeng Uman, Dolai Tabi, Leitan Pokpi, Sida, Lairiba Hanagi, Alaman Singh, Ichilinau, Kudimak, Hanagi Mataudona, Hanzilak Naba, central government, Amadi state government, Honabio, Karigumba, Honabida Targadi, Hariba, Tankunmariki, Hagnongan, Badagi Hona, Masi Equina, Mapam Masida, Akoigi, Koidina from Tapam Zaga, Ama Oibanina, Mahuk Sadagi, Maitegi, Sanabida, Siguma Zaga, Sidi Equina. Akoigi sago narga panina asiga hariba jaga asida akoi sangsinanaba hek nongan badagi akoi masi VVS village volunteer service Kundrakpam esina miyam tanaraga akan mamongda laisinaba akoi hona jargani.
Convener of Kanglei People's Confederation, Kaitelakpam London Meitei, urged the government to provide means of livelihood to villagers of Chanung village in Imphal East district through its departments like the agriculture, horticulture and CAU. Speaking to media at Chanung Community Hall today, convener of Kapikon, Kaitilakpam, London, said villagers of Chanung have been deprived of their livelihood, which they used to make by using the resources in Chanung Hill due to the ongoing crisis. He said they could not go to the hill anymore due to the ongoing violent clash, and the villagers could not find any other work as they are engaged in guarding their village. He also urged the government to ensure teachers in the village primary school to return, as children in the villages have been deprived of education.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯔꯤ ꯂꯩꯅꯕ ꯂꯩꯉꯥꯛꯀꯤ ꯗꯤꯄꯥꯔꯠꯃꯦꯟꯒ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯍꯣꯔꯇꯤꯀꯜꯆꯔ ꯑꯦꯒ꯭ꯔꯤꯀꯜꯆꯔ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯀꯥꯎꯅ ꯆꯤꯡꯕ ꯁꯤꯌꯔꯅ ꯆꯤꯡꯕ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯨꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯑꯈꯪ-ꯑꯍꯩꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯗꯤꯄꯥꯔꯠꯃꯦꯟꯁꯤꯡꯒ ꯈꯨꯠꯁꯝꯅꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯆꯅꯨꯡꯒꯤ ꯈꯨꯟꯖꯥꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯄꯤꯕ ꯌꯥꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯁꯦꯟ ꯊꯣꯛꯇꯨꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯈꯨꯟꯖꯥꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯇꯦꯟꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯒꯤ ꯆꯥꯅꯕ ꯀ꯭ꯔꯣꯞꯁꯤꯡ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯃꯅꯥ ꯃꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯡ ꯊꯥꯍꯜꯂꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯄꯥꯛꯀꯤꯁꯨ ꯀꯥꯟꯅꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯋꯥꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯕ ꯈꯨꯟꯖꯥꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤꯁꯨ ꯁꯦꯟꯃꯤꯠꯂꯣꯟ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯐꯅꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯈꯔ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯨꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯒꯚꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟꯠꯒꯤ ꯄꯨꯛꯅꯤꯡ ꯆꯤꯡꯁꯤꯟꯅꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯦꯗꯤꯌꯥꯒꯤ ꯊꯣꯡꯗ ꯃꯈꯣꯏ
Tengnoupal District Police Additional Superintendent T.S. Chamna Anal has started taking statements from displaced people residing in relief camps of Thoubal District in connection with their destroyed houses and properties in the Manipur violence which erupted on May 3. Statement recording for 730 inmates of Kodompok Peace Sport Complex Relief Camp and 249 inmates of Wangjing Lamding Higher Secondary School Relief Camp was carried out even today. The 78th anniversary of Kakching Dramatic Union KDU Kakching was observed today at the Union Hall in Kakching, Pausupat, Laikai. Attendees paid floral tributes to late members of the union on the occasion. Speaking on the sidelines, Union Secretary Ketrimayum Sushil said that the union was established on September 25, 1945 by art and culture enthusiasts with an aim to promote drama, especially in the southern areas of Manipur. He added that the union got its official registration on September 5, 1962 and has been playing a significant role in the field of Manipuri dramas since then. Union President M. Joy Kumar expressed gratitude to late founding members of the union. 24 local clubs in Hairok today provided financial assistance to family member of Ningthaujam Prem Kumar of Hairok Part 2 Bazar Mamang, who is currently undergoing treatment at Rims Hospital after he sustained injuries in a scuffle with personnel of 26 Assam Rifles at Palel on September 8. The monetary assistance was handed over to his father. Prem Kumar will be travelling to New Delhi on September 26 for further treatment at AIIMS. Paudampham WhatsApp group of people of Manipur and Kachar in Assam, along with Ngaklong Me today, provided various essential items including food items, medicines and stationery items for the inmates of Moirang Kuno Santong Relief Camp in Bishnupur district. Students of Ratan Memorial RM School, Kwakatil, Hainokhongnembi donated 15,000 rupees monetary help to like-minded group LMG Manipurgi General Fund today. School founder Dr. K.H. Hillary, LMG Advisory Board member K.K. Wahengbam, Secretary Ojit Sorokhaibam, Publicity Secretary Rakesh Naure, members Kunjeshwar Mangsatabam and Surendra Ningombam were among those present on the occasion. Former Wangoi MLA Salam Joy has been appointed as President of Nationalist Congress Party NCP Manipur Unit. Nationalist Congress Party NCP National Working President Praful Patel MP issued a notification to this effect. Village level Federation Sanjanbam Kulen under Sawambung City Block Imphal East District has carried out a cleanliness drive as a part of Swachhta Hi Seva 2023 campaign on the theme Garbage Free India at Sanjanbam and its vicinity. The campaign, which began on September 17, will continue till October 17. Swachhta Hi Seva 2023 campaign was also carried out in Primary Health Center PHC Modbung in Kangpokpi district on a theme Garbage Free India. Doctors and staff of the PHC took part in the cleanliness drive. Now the sports news. Manipur is through to the semi-finals of the Junior Girls National Football Championship Tier 1 being held at Bhubaneswar. In the last league match played today, Manipur defeated Haryana 1-0, paving the way for Manipur to the semi-finals. In the match, Ningthaujam Olivia scored the lone goal for Manipur. The semi-final matches will be played on September 28. Indian women's cricket team clinched gold medal in the ongoing 19th Hangzhou Asian Games. In the final match played today against Sri Lanka, India set a target of 116 runs in 20 overs, losing 7 wickets. Smriti Mandhana made 46 runs, while J. Rodriguez scored 42 runs in the innings. In reply, Sri Lankan team could only make 97 runs in the given 20 overs, losing 8 wickets, thus losing the match by 19 runs and settling for silver medal. India's bowlers Titus Sandhu picked up 3 wickets, while Rajeshwari Gayakwat got 2 wickets. Earlier in the day, India also won a gold medal in 10-meter men's air rifles team event. As Indian women's cricket team won gold medal in the Asian Games, founder of Reliance Foundation and chairperson of Mumbai Indians cricket team, Nita Ambani, congratulated Team India on its achievement, terming it as a moment of pride for the whole nation and an inspiration for the future generation. Now, before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Chief Minister Nongthummon Biren inaugurates and lays foundation stones of various projects worth 196 crore rupees in Kaupum subdivision, None district. BJP MLA and former Manipur DGP LM Khaute claims rich people from valley lured hilly people to cultivate poppy plants. Some Kuki people cultivated poppy thinking these are beautiful flowers. Assam police arrest 4 Kuki miscreants from Churachandpur, including 2 women in possession of 40,000 Yaba tablets worth around 5 crore rupees. Displaced students unhappy over LMS Law College Imphal demanding full admission fee from them despite fee waiver for displaced students announced by government. JDU, Manipur and LJP Ram Vilas served legal notice to retired Major of Assam Rifles Amit Bansal and retired Major General Yash Moore for allegedly portraying Meitei people in negative light. An MPCC spokesperson and Bhupenda assures Congress party will extend full cooperation to youth of Manipur in their effort to bring normalcy in the state. That's all we have in this bulletin. Thank you for being with us. Coming up next is Primetime Manipuri Bulletin. Have a great evening and stay safe.